Picture this, guys. A rough idea turns into a fully animated, polished video in just a few minutes. No complex software, no editing skills required. That's what Mootion is built for. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Folks, today we discuss Mootion, a next-gen video creation platform that's already caught the attention of millions of users around the globe. I'll show you how to turn a simple prompt or file into a studio-quality video. We'll explore live editing, smart templates, and even avatar-based storytelling. No matter your niche, this tool may be a game-changer for you. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in and see how it works. Alright, my friends, here we are on the Mootion dashboard. There is a clear navigation panel with a space in the middle to enter your prompts. We can see a gallery of templates organized by content type. You'll find ones for education, business, storytelling, and more. Each template is tailored to a specific use case, which helps you get started quickly. Folks, let's go ahead and create an educational video about the basics of machine learning, using the text-to-video generator for this. I am typing in a detailed prompt that outlines the core learning goals, content structure, and some style preferences. Clear definitions and practical examples are a must. Once I hit generate, the system begins to plan the video behind the scenes. The director is drafting a storyline called "What is Machine Learning?" And folks, the creative logic it applies here is pretty impressive. Let's look at what's been generated. There's a summary of the video topic, hashtags it selected, a script, and the prompt I originally submitted. And just like that, we've got a fully animated tutorial recording. Check it out, guys.
Understanding Machine Learning, an educational video. Introducing the concept of machine learning, a pivotal branch of artificial intelligence. This video aims to demystify what machine learning is and how it functions within the technological landscape.
Since I chose a tutorial format, it's in widescreen for YouTube. The director analyzed the language, selected a cinematic visual tone, and built a solid scene structure. Each scene includes a matching image that is auto-generated to fit the theme. Then Mootion suggested animating all scenes. And once confirmed, folks, it handled the entire sequence, keeping everything aligned with the script. The platform even added title and subtitle effects and chose the voiceover, Emma, a friendly American. The avatar placement was automatically optimized. One thing that really stands out is the visual consistency. Every frame shares a sleek, movie-like look, supported by smart style transfer algorithms. That gives the whole video a cohesive feel. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now let's explore the audio-to-video tool. This one enables you to use a voice track and turn it into an animated piece. I'll switch to General Creation and upload a short clip where I explain the basics of neural networks. Neural networks are revolutionizing how computers process information. This time, folks, I want to make a vertical clip, perfect for shorts, using the pixel art preset for something different. The platform automatically transcribes the audio and analyzes its structure. It identifies key concepts and splits the recording into logical scenes with matching visuals. Neural networks are revolutionizing how computers process information. You can preview or rework them if needed. There's also new edit mode. Guys, this lets you modify each frame, delete things, swap assets, and fine-tune your scenes one by one. When you animate a particular scene, it only takes about 5 minutes. For example, we can animate this scene and add cinematic touches along with smooth professional transitions. Meanwhile, everything continues to run in the background, so you can work while it processes. Or just hit Animate All to do the whole batch in one go. Moving on, folks, let's talk about post-production. Mootion brings together both generation and editing in one unified space. You get a full suite of tools, scene effects, transitions, music, and more. I let the AI handle most of it automatically, and then launch the final generation. The output includes a finished script based on my audio, selected hashtags, and a nice visual summary. And here's the result, guys. Let's watch it. Neural networks are revolutionizing how computers process information. Unlike traditional programming, where we give explicit instructions, neural networks learn patterns from data. They consist of interconnected nodes called neurons that mimic how our brain processes information. The outcome looks pretty solid. I can download the video, thumbnail, or storyboard separately. Now there's one more gem, the templates gallery. This is a vast library of pre-built video templates, sorted by industries and purposes. Just pick one, hit Use, and customize it to fit your needs. The social media templates are especially helpful, folks, because they're optimized for viral formats, durations, and layouts. You can add your own content or use prompts to generate everything from scratch. Mootion is flexible and smart enough to support nearly any field or use case. So guys, what's the verdict? In just minutes we created a polished video from a simple text prompt, customized visuals, tested templates and different styles. Every element was handled automatically, while still allowing for creative control. The result is high-quality media content without cameras, actors, or editing software. If you're looking for an easy, effective way to bring your content to life, Mootion is definitely worth trying. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.